Even though Python's standard library is very comprehensive and has so many modules for common tasks, it's not complete by any means. That's why we have this directory called Python package index or PYPI. And in this directory, you can find thousands of packages for doing awesome things. These are the packages that people like you and I have built as part of their projects, and then they published it in this directory for other people to use. So that's why we have a fantastic community in Python. There are so many Python developers out there, and there's so many packages right in front of us to reuse in our programs. Let's say you want to send text messages in your programs. You don't have to build this functionality from scratch. You can simply come to pypi.org and search for SMS. As you can see, there are so many projects or packages that give you this functionality. Of course, not every package, not every project is complete or bug-free. Some of them are still in development or they have bugs. But if you look around, I'm pretty sure for any kind of functionality you can imagine, there is a good, reliable, and well-documented package for you. In my complete Python course, I will show you some of the most useful packages on PyPI. For example, you will learn how to access the information on Yelp.com in your programs. So you can write a program and search for businesses registered on Yelp. Let's say you want to search for the best barbers in New York City. I will show you how to do that. You also learn about a technique called web scraping, which means you can build an engine and have that engine browse a website and extract information from HTML files. This is the same technique that Google does to index various websites. So they have several engines or web crawlers. These crawlers are continuously looking at various websites and extracting information from their pages. When you publish a blog post, Google's web crawler finds the title of your post, its keywords, and so on. So I'm going to show you how to do that with Python. We'll also look at browser automation, and this is extremely powerful because you can automate testing of your web applications. So you might get a job as a test engineer, and your daily job is to browse a website, click here and there, fill out this form, that form, and ensure that the website is functioning properly. You can automate all of that with a powerful Python package called Selenium, as I have shown in my complete Python course. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install packages from pypi.org. So here on pypi.org, let's search for OpenPyXL. This is a package that we use for working with Excel spreadsheets. So let's search for this package. There you go. So currently it's at version 2.5. On the top, you can see this instruction, pip install OpenPyXL. This is the command that we need to type into a terminal window to install this package into our program. So back to PyCharm. Here on the status bar, we can open up a terminal window for executing various commands. So let's open it. Now, if you're on Windows, you're probably going to see something different instead of this $sign. Don't worry about that. Just execute this command I'm going to show you. So pip install OpenPyXL. Make sure to spell everything properly. So pip is the tool that comes with Python installation, and we use it to install or uninstall packages registered on pypi.org. So here we're using pip to install this package, OpenPyXL. Enter. Let's go ahead with that. It's going to take a few seconds. Okay, done. Now we can import this package and its modules just like the built-in modules in Python or the modules that we have in our project. Now, if you're curious where this package is stored on disk, let me show you. So open up the project panel and then expand external libraries. Next, expand Python 3 and then expand site packages. This is where all these packages that we install with pip are stored. So here we have OpenPyXL. You can open this. In this folder, we have another folder called cell. Now, look what we have here. We have this init.py. Earlier, I told you that whenever we add this file to a folder, Python treats that folder as a package. So cell is a package, and in this package, we have these modules, cell, interface, read-only, and text. So as you can see, this package, OpenPyXL, has several sub-packages like cell, chart, chart sheet, and so on. And in each package, we have several modules. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to work with Excel files.